So yesterday we look at the place value in a number-based system. Now let me just rub this all out. Let me just rub this part because I'm going to transition from place value, looking at place value in a form in an exponent. Now we have to look that base, the word base. Yeah. So when we start the exponents, we have, for example, 4 raised to the power of 3. That number here is called a base. And this number here is called an exponent. So I'm just going to rub all of this here. I'm going to rub all of this and really analyze it. How do we write this into base? Yeah. So how do we write 4 in terms of base? So it's basically like 4 raised to the power of 1. Yeah. And how do we write this in terms of base? It will be 4 raised to the power of 0. Now this one here, 16, how do you write that as a base? It's going to be 4 raised to the power of 2. Yeah, and so base 4 is essentially this, different bases. The place value is in different groups of 4. And that's the same with in here. So I'm going to show you the drawing that we did last time because it will really help us in solving questions here. So here is the drawing that we have. So this one here, you see how many groups of 4? How many groups of 4 in here? It's 2 and 2 outside. Yeah, this is in base 4. And in here, how many groups of 16? Which is 4 groups of 4 raised to the power of 2 is 1. And nothing, no groups of 4 and 1 outside. So this is all what it means. And here, how many groups of 16? How many 4 raised to the power of 2? There's 1. And how many 4 raised to the power of 1? It's 1, 2, 3. And there's nothing here. So this is what it all means. So now we just related the place value in terms of exponents. So let us answer this question, this homework question that I gave you yesterday. So it's important that we start by writing the bases here. So this here has a place value of 4 raised to the power of 0. Here 4 raised to the power of 1. And here raised to the power of 2. So we're going to answer this. 1 plus 3. How many ones? 4, right? Can we write 4? No, we can't. Yeah, we can't write 4. So we have to ask how many 4s, how many of this are in here? Well, the answer would be 1. And the remainder would be 0. So your answer is 0. So 1, 0. Now we have to ask how many 4 raised to the power of 1, or how many 4s are there? Yeah, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, can we write that question? No. Yeah, so 4 fours is basically this. Yeah, 4 raised to the power of 2. Yeah, so 4 fours. Yeah, 4 groups of 4s is essentially one group of 16, which is this one. Yeah. So remember, this one is a group of 16. So, and a 0 remainder. So you have the answer here. How many 4 raised to the power of 2? Yeah, there's 2 of them. So your answer is 200 in base 4. Okay, let's do it in here. This is 4 raised to the power of 1. Let's use a different pen. 4 raised to the power of 0. 4 raised to the power of 1, which is really just 4. This is ones. This is fours. And then 4 raised to the power of 2, which is essentially means 4 times 4 is 16. Just to make this really clear. So that's the place value. This is also the place value in terms of exponents. They mean the same thing. So we have here, what is 2 plus 3? So 2 plus 3 is 5. We cannot write 5. So we have to ask, how many 4s are there in 5? Well, there's 1 4. Yeah, and 1 remainder. So 1 4s and 1, that's the answer to 2 plus 3. And we ask how many 4s? We have 1 plus 0 is only 1. So there's no carryover. Now we have to ask how many 16s or how many 4 raised to the power of 2s are there. It will be 3 plus 1. The answer is 4. We can't really write 4. So we have to ask how many is this in terms of the next place value. So the next place value, what's the value of that? Well, you just have to follow the base and the exponent. 4 raised to the power of 0, 4 raised to the power of 1, 4 raised to the power of 2, and that will be 4 raised to the power of 3. And 4 raised to the power of 3 means it will be 4 times 4 times 4. So that would be 4 times 4 is 16 times 4, it will be 64. So 4 raised to the power of 3 is 64. So how many? So 4 16s, yeah, is essentially 64. So it would mean it will be 1 64th, and there will be 0 here. You bring that down, and that's your answer. Your answer is 1011 in base 4. Now, homework. Let's give you some homework. Now we're getting better at this. So the homework would be 2 2 1 2, add, this is in base 4, 1 3 1 2. What is this in base 4? So only have this homework. Let me know your answer in the comment section below, and the next one would be base 3 counting system and how we add within those systems.